Immerse yourself in elegance and sophistication. Global achievements. Each point on the map tells a unique story, immersing you in unparalleled experiences.
Universel Hotel in Rivière-du-Loup. Baluchon Eco Resort in Saint-Paulin. Delta Hotel in Trois-Rivières. Hotel William Gray in Montreal. Honey Rose Hotel in Montreal. Hotel Indigo, Orange Beach in Alabama. Pelican Bay Hotel in Bahamas.
Sutton Place Hotel Vancouver.
To explore our other realizations, please visit our website at www.textilespatlin.com. Our services. Our expertise lies in our ability to bring your boldest ideas to life. Each designer brings their unique vision, and we're here to bring it to life, from your imagination to the final installation. Custom design. Customize our fabrics to your image. Whether you want to print your logo on your bed coverings or even create a custom pattern for your window dressings, we have the necessary tools to bring your unique projects to life. Contact us now to discuss your project. We take care of everything.